there comes a time when teachers get to be so proud of their students, they're lost for words. This weekend, it was one of those times. What's going on, everybody? I'm Emeka, and man, oh man, what a fantastic weekend it has been, right? I figured, this weekend has been so profitable for so many publishers. I'm going to throw on my Minnie Mouse thing for the entire video. All right, so that's how we're going to do it. I've been excited to doing this weekly update, but I'm kind of at a loss for words. Black Friday, it's Cyber Monday today, but and this is not even about the Academy. You've been getting my emails. I know I've been spamming you like crazy because you got to get it in the Academy. It's my new program. It's my flagship program. It's like the blueprint on steroids, essentially, because I dive deep and I work with you. This is different. I work with you now. The blueprint, you do it yourself. You watch the videos, you do it yourself. You got the Facebook group, but you do it yourself. The Academy, I work with you through the blueprint to help you speed up your results and to help you get bigger results. Results like my students were getting this weekend. So let's talk about this weekend and exactly what happened. Academy closes tomorrow at midnight. It's on Tuesday at midnight. Link in the description. But you'll be getting the emails. But man, oh man, this weekend has been something else. We had so many students have $1,000 days throughout the whole weekend. So not just like Black Friday, right? Because that's kind of, Black Friday, we knew sales were going to go up. But man, it blew away my expectations. $1,000 days, $2,000 days. We had one student do over $3,000 freaking dollars in one day. In one freaking day, he did over 3 Gs. I'm going to talk about that in a second because what he did is very, very important to understand what he's doing. But I'm going to throw some screenshots up here. But just from Black Friday on, sales have just been, just rolling in for them. A lot of these students even destroyed me. Like, I get about $1,500 on Friday. But then, I think over the last couple of days, we've been doing $600-700 days just for the books every single day. But, students have been doing $1,000, $800, Saturday, Sunday still. So it's just awesome to see. Awesome to see these results. So either I already put the screenshots up or you're looking at them right now. But man, oh man, they blew away what I thought was possible. Even though it's a holiday, even though it's like the biggest spending holiday of the year, they completely blew my expectations out of the water. And I've been talking with some of them, and they're like, "We could do 10 grand in one day next year for Black Friday." Like, that could be a possibility. It probably will be a possibility. Just learning how to utilize ads. The majority of this has been all AMS. Majority of it. And what's so cool, it's the highest earners are spending under $200 for ads that day. Right? I know one of them spent about 160, 70. I spent 173, I think it was, for Black Friday, and $1,500 in sales minus 170, whatever it was, gives you the profit. But under 200, I didn't see anybody talking about spending over $200 for ads for more than one day. So AMS is going to be a game changer. AMS, all of these students learned AMS through I'll plug Marco's AMS ads profit formula, link in the description for that. It's by far the best place to learn anything about AMS right now. That course is it's literally changing how people are doing self-publishing. It's absolutely incredible. But man, Yeah, like one guy, I'll put his shot up again. He was doing $10 a month a few months ago and had his first $1,000 day on Black Friday. $10 a month a few months ago, first $1,000 day on Black Friday, and he's over in India. So that's like a lot of freaking money for them, right? Because about $150 or so is the monthly wage. So $1,000 in a day changes things. But wow. But let's talk about one student. He did over $3,000. But get this. 700 and change was from books. Only 700 and change was from books. But then those books feed to affiliate sales. And all the rest was affiliate sales that he gets through his books. So if that makes sense. And that is really right there. That's what you should be focused on for nonfiction. Because selling books is not scalable. It is to a certain extent. But, sell a higher ticket item, right? Why just sell books? You should use your books as a funnel to feed them to a higher ticket product and sell them that. That's what you need to be doing. But damn, geez, just so proud of them. Like, I've never seen results like this. And I'm sure there's lots of other people who've been having crazy results and stuff, and they're just not talking about it. But to see so many people who I wasn't expecting to have these type of results, and then to really just start pushing it, $2,000-$3,000 days, jeez, awesome, freaking awesome. So, how's your Black Friday? How has Cyber Monday been going? What did you do throughout the entire weekend? I want to know. Because it's start of holiday season. So, things are only going to get better. It's the time of the year sales really start picking up, for everybody. So make sure you're doing everything you can to drive sales and to get the absolutely most that you can out of November, out of December, and out of January and February historically are really powerful months as well. Because everybody gets that Christmas money. Everybody gets those new Kindle devices, new whatever, and they want to, gift cards. So they start spending it in January, February. Those are big money months as well. So what are you going to do over the next 3.5 months to really increase your freedom or increase your income rather, so you can really just change your life? But I got a couple calls I got to get ready for here. So let me know in the comments. Love to connect with you. Let me know. You know what? In honor of the twins, is there a bow emoji? If there's a bow emoji, drop me a bow emoji in honor of the twins and in honor of Minnie Mouse. All right. Till next time, everybody. I'm Emeka. We'll speak to you all soon. Take care.